Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So, right here guys, okay, that's the F-150 that we will be demonstrating on, 2017 model. If you open the hood on your F-150, under the hood guys, okay, right behind the car battery, right there, will be your fuse box. That right there is your fuse box, guys. And if you open that fuse box, it will look just like that. Those will be your fuses and relays. We'll have videos about each one of them. Let's say you need ABS fuse, we'll have it. If you need ignition codes fuse, we'll have that video as well. That way you don't have to waste your time going through manuals, and most of the times people will lose their manuals. The other fuse box is located in the cabin of your F-150 on the passenger side in the footwell right here by the kick panel, guys. Okay, we're talking right there. You remove the cover there, and when you open that fuse box, it will look just like that. Okay, those will be your fuses, guys. Okay, you can see all these fuses as well. So those are the two fuse boxes. For any of you needing help finding those, hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.